Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Oh, where can he be? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Charlie! Well, you really are in a hurry today. Why are you running? I know. You're timing yourself to see how fast you can run. Off again? Charlie, you'll tire yourself out at this rate. Why don't you race against someone? Then you'll really find out how fast you are, Charlie. Ah, you're going to race Rivet. And they're off. Well, okay, Rivet's not that fast, but he is quite fast for a robot. And with that steady rhythm, Rivet won't get tired out easily. Not every race is won by sprinting as fast as you can, you know. Sometimes you have to pace yourself. Wow! The crowd love you, Charlie. Are you the running race champion? Ah, I see. It's a race between you and Rivet on a real running track in a real sports stadium.
Ladies and gentlemen, and one squeaky penguin. It's the Little Charley Bear versus Rivet the Robot Grand Final Running Race.
Careful, Charlie. Don't use up all your energy.
Runners to the starting line. Runners, on your marks. Get set.
Oh, he's gone. Charlie, you weren't supposed to start. The announcer hasn't said go yet.
Okay then. Runners, on your marks. Get set. Go!
Whoa! Look at Charlie go. Look how fast Charlie is running.
Little Charley Bear is racing to a huge lead. This is amazing. This is unheard of. He's even going to lap Rivet the robot, ladies and gentlemen. And one squeaky penguin. Little Charley Bear is running such a fast race, even I'm feeling dizzy.
Uh-oh. Charlie's getting tired and puffed out. Charlie, maybe you should slow down so you can last the whole race. I mean it, Charlie. You should save your energy and pace yourself. Charlie! That's the wrong way, Charlie. This is silly. You're running way more than you have to and... now you've run out of breath. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. You really are tired out. Stop trying to run so fast, Charlie. slowly and surely will win you the race.
Rivet the robot wins!
Oh, well, it won't Rivet the race at least. That's called being a good sport, Charlie. Well done. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination, Charlie. Is Rivet the fastest robot ever? And are you proud of him? And I'm proud of you. Bye-bye, little Charlie Bear. Bye-bye, everybody. Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Oh, it's Charlie's bedtime and he needs to get ready for bed. Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? There you are, Charlie. Why are you wearing that hat and goggles, Charlie? No, don't start playing, Charlie. You'll get overtired. You know you're supposed to go and clean your teeth and get ready for bed. All right. I'll have one guess at what you're pretending to be, but if I get it right, you have to go to bed. Okay? Right, are you... Oh, I know. You're pretending to be a penguin. Like Frozo. No, but... Charlie? Charlie? What a beautiful day. How lovely. Oh, hold on. What is that buzzing noise? Charlie! Ah, so when you were running around with your arms out earlier, you were pretending to fly. I wish you wouldn't do that. Oh, that's right way up, please, Charlie. Charlie, please. Where are you flying to, Charlie? You're delivering the post? In your aeroplane? Hi, Midge! Bye, Midge! That's one letter delivered, Charlie. Where to next? Oh, but how will you fly around that big mountain, Charlie? Will you go to the left? Or to the right? Well, you have to go left or right. You can't go... You flew over it! Clever bear! Oh no! Will Frozo catch it safely? He will! You knew that would happen, Charlie. Charlie, are you going to deliver something to Midge? He seems to be waiting. Ah, I see. It's Midge's birthday. Are you going to give him his present next? Oh, you have some more deliveries to do first. Charlie, you yawned. Are you tired? If you are tired, then you should go to bed. You need your sleep. Are you going to deliver Midge's birthday present, Charlie? You are tired, I know you are. After Midge, I want you to go straight home to bed, okay? Charlie? Charlie, are you awake? Can you give Midge his presents? Oh no, Charlie! Wake up! Wake up, Charlie! Charlie! What will wake him up? Quick! Midge needs his presents. Oh, that's nice, Charlie. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination. Charlie, it's time to clean your teeth and go to bed. Night-night, little Charlie Bear. Bye-bye, everybody. Are you there, Charlie Bear? Where is he? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? Oh, there you are, Charlie. And that's nice. You're bringing tea for all your toy friends. Oh, and you're doing it one-handed. Well done. But careful, Charlie, you might drop... Oh, phew. Yes, Charlie, that was clever. Charlie, what are you doing? Charlie? Charlie? Oh, I'm not sure that's a good idea, Charlie. Especially if you're showing off. Please stop, Charlie. Whoa! Watch out. Oh, dear. Are you okay? Oh, good. Showing off never comes to any good, you know. Charlie? Charlie! Oh, there you are. Well, this looks nice. The Seaside is a great place to just relax and forget about showing off, eh, Charlie? Wow! Look at Frozo go! Oh, such style, such skill, such daring! He's amazing! Oh, yes! Frozo was incredible, wasn't he, Charlie? When it comes to doing amazing things in the sea, no one can beat a penguin. There was no need to show off about it though, was there? Oh! Gnarly looking board, Charlie. What's that, Charlie? You want to borrow Frozo's life jacket? You're not going to show off again, are you, Charlie Bear? Oh, do you know how to wakeboard, Charlie? Oh dear, be careful, Charlie. You're not a penguin, you know. Charlie, stop showing off. What? You're going to spin round? Right the way around in a complete circle? Oh, well, yes, That definitely was a complete circle. So now you've done that, you can probably stop. Oh, a somersault! Okay, Charlie, that's enough now. We've all seen how good you are. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, no, not the jump. Charlie, doing a jump blindfold really is showing off. Oh, no. A niblet shark. Oh, now you've made him cross. Charlie, get out of the water! Charlie, you really need to stop showing off now. The niblet shark bit your board. Get out of the water, Charlie. Now! Oh, Charlie, hurry! Have you had enough of showing off now, Charlie? No matter how much you show off, there's always someone who'll do it even better anyway. You're not going to start showing off again, are you, Charlie? Oh, I see. It's Niblet who's showing off now. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination. Bye-bye, little Charlie Bear. Bye-bye, everybody. See you again soon. Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? Oh, there you are, Charlie. What are you doing with that sock? Are you going to put on some shoes? Ah, you've just taken off your boots. Then you're going to do some washing. A sock puppet! That's what you wanted the sock for. Fantastic! Hello there, sock puppet. Hello. Has Charlie introduced you to all his toy friends yet? That's Midge, and Rivet, Ballerina, and Niblet, of course, Caramel, and last but not least, Frozo. Has Sock Puppet got any friends of his own, Charlie? He's friends with your other paw. Oh, I see. You're going to make another sock puppet for him to be friends with. Ah, yes. Your washing basket is a good place to look for a sock. Awesome shorts. You must have another sock, Charlie. Socks come in pairs, one for each foot. All you need to do is have a really good look for it. Aha! You're a detective, Charlie. A sock detective. Are you here to solve the case of the missing sock? Oh, yes. Nothing will escape your notice, because you're Charlie Bear, sock detective. There are your clothes on the washing line, Charlie. T-shirt, shirt, trousers, sock, shorts, but hold on a minute, sock! You found the missing sock! That was easier than I thought. Huh? The sock has gone missing again. Someone must have taken it. Those must be the footprints of whoever took your sock. Follow those footprints, Charlie. No one is there. T-shirt, shirt, space where your trousers were, space where your sock was, shorts. Now your trousers have gone missing as well. This is terrible. Still no one there. This is most strange, Charlie. Who is taking all your washing off the washing line? This is such a mystery. But it's a mystery that Charlie Bear, sock and trouser detective can solve. That's right. Now, whoever it is must be here somewhere. Have you found them? The rest of your clothes, all the washing, it's gone. First your sock, now everything else. Oh, Charlie, what will you do now? Did you see anyone there, Charlie? How will you be able to make a friend for your sock puppet if you don't have a sock? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. You're not giving up being a detective, are you, Charlie? Maybe you should look behind you, Charlie. Frozo must have been bringing your clothes off the washing line because they were all nice and dry. Oh, that's nice. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination. Yes, well done, Charlie. Now you can make a friend for your sock puppet. Oh, after it's been washed and cleaned. Yeah, that's a good idea. Bye-bye, little Charlie Bear. Bye-bye, sock puppet. Bye-bye, everybody.